Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap for Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. We'll cover movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes closed down today. The S&P 500 index ended at 6,816.59, dropping 65.4 points. Dow 30 index fell by 403.51 points, closing at 48,501.28. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite index was down by 232.16 points, finishing at 22,516.69. In market breadth, declines outweighed advances across the key indexes. The S&P 500 index posted 357 declines against 134 advances. Similarly, the Nasdaq Composite Index recorded 2,034 declines and only 899 advances. In terms of daily returns, the indexes experienced downward pressure. The Dow 30 index has a total return of negative 0.97% weekly. Year-to-date, S&P 400 Midcap Index leads with a positive return of 7.15%. The financial services sector closed at 849.74, dropping 1.57 points with a very strong negative trend. In contrast, real estate sector maintains a very strong positive trend. The basic materials sector experienced a significant drop, closing down 18.10 points at 654.74. The industrials sector also fell by 29.71 points, but maintains a very strong positive trend. ETFs largely faced declines today. The S&P 500 ETF SPY dropped 6.5 points. Similarly, Philippines ETF and Malaysia ETF faced strong downward trends. Weekly and monthly returns for global market ETFs show declines. Despite the past day's downturn, Norway ETF ENOR maintains a positive trend year-to-date with a 20.01% increase. In the technology sector, Apple ended the day at 263.75, a decrease of 0.97, showing a mixed negative trend. Alphabet closed down for the second consecutive day at 303.56, falling 2.80. Meanwhile, Amazon edged up slightly by 0.34 to finish at 208.73. Meta Platforms rose by 1.52, closing at 655.8, yet is in a strong negative trend despite the upward moves. Lastly, Nvidia fell to 180.5, declining by 2.43 amidst a negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is trending sharply down at 67,931.32, losing 900.69 intraday. Ethereum also shows a notable drop, down 62.40 to 1,965.9. Dogecoin takes a larger hit with a 5% decline. All are in a very strong negative trend. Today's returns show Bitcoin has WTD gains of 3.29% despite current losses. Though BNB rose 1.81% ADA, it's still struggling this year with similar yearly dips as Ethereum and Solana, both shedding over 30% YTD.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently strengthening against major currencies. Against the euro, it stands at 0.8607, up by 0.0055, marking its third consecutive rise with strong upward volatility. Similarly, the British pound sees the greenback rising for the fifth day, now at 0.7483 with strong positive momentum. Against the Japanese yen, it's at 157.6870, currently experiencing some upward volatility. The greenback's position against the Swiss franc, showing mixed trends but with high upward volatility today, is at 0.7814. Finally, against the Australian dollar, it is at 1.4202. Despite mixed trends, it's showing strong upward volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.